and Chief Engineer Willie Balot. Yan. Partner, any short welcome message to our guests?
Okay, good evening to all of us, especially the family of our co-seafarers. Thank you for coming. Okay? So, have a nice and wonderful tonight. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Chief Engineer Willie Balot. Alright, and so at this point, from one significant person to another in Synergy Iloilo, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Synergy Iloilo Branch Officer in Charge, Ma'am Cristina Amparado. Yes, the strong.
Ma'am, some greetings to all the our guests.
Mayong gabi sa tanan tanga seafarers, kag wives, and children. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation and for being here despite gabi na. Thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy our event until the last hour of this event. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very
Thanks
much.
for joining us, Ma'am Pila, and also my partner, Chief Engineer Willie. Okay, so I think gutom na sila, no?
Yes, and because of that, let us celebrate to one of the reasons tonight, and that is our food. Yes, and of course, just before we start indulging ourselves with the abundant